most powerful trend indicator ever created on TradingView. You can use it for trend identification, evaluating market strength, and identifying potential reversals. Stay tuned and let's get started. Alright, to add this amazing indicator to our chart, here we click on indicators and we search trend, speed, analyzer. This one, which is a new indicator from Zierman. Alright, this is the indicator, and as you can see, we have a histogram here below the chart. We have a line overlaid on the price chart, and here we have a table of information. This indicator, as the name is indicating, is designed to measure the speed of trends, so traders can have an insight into momentum dynamics. This indicator uses a dynamic moving average, which is enhanced with an accelerator factor, allowing it to adapt dynamically to different market conditions. The values are normalized, so the indicator will have consistency in different market conditions by adjusting for volatility. Alright, let me explain different components of this indicator and how you can use it for trading. As you can see, we have a line here which is called dynamic trend, and it helps us with trend identification. The interpretation is similar to a moving average line. When the price is above the line is green, and it tells us that the price is advancing in an uptrend, and in times that the price goes below the line becomes red and it shows the price declining. We don't take these color changes as trading signals. In other words, crossing of price above or below this line. We don't take them as trading signal, but rather we use this line to know about the current situation of the price, if it is bullish or bearish. For example, here in the right side of the chart, when we see that the price is above the line, we know that the market is bullish and the price is advancing. And in this case, when we see the price has been above the line for an extended period of time, we can say that we are in an uptrend. In this situation, we can expect that the line will act like a support level. So when the price reaches around the line, there is a probability to have a pause and then advancing of the price. We have the opposite when the price is below the line and showing a downtrend. In that case, the line will act as a resistance level, and falling of the price is expected if the price gets close to the line. In practice, when we are analyzing the chart, we are in the right side of the chart. So when we see that the price is above the line and the line is green, we say that the market is bullish and the price is advancing in an uptrend. And if the price is below the line and the line is red, we say the market is bearish and the price is declining. Alright, before I explain the histogram, which will help us with measuring momentum and strength of the market, I want to introduce the sponsor of this video, which is FastBull. FastBull is a trading platform providing different features and products like charting platform, which is exactly similar to TradingView, but everything here is free. For example, you can add up to 64 indicators to your chart at the same time. In the free version of TradingView, you can only add 2 indicators, so you cannot test trading strategies with more than 2 indicators, like my triple MACD trading strategy, which uses 3 MACDs. But here at fastbull.com, at no cost, you can add more than 2 indicators. You just click here on indicators and search the name of your indicator, for example MACD, and you can simply add it here after adjusting the settings. Let's add another MACD. Consider we want to test the triple MACD trading strategy here on this platform. You give the settings and confirm. We need one more to execute the triple MACD trading strategy here. Here it is, another MACD, and it is done. Even if you need more indicators, you can simply add them to your chart. As I said, you can add up to 64 indicators to your chart at the same time. Another great point about this platform, you can explore unlimited candles in the past. On TradingView, you are limited to 5,000 candles, but here unlimited, so you can effectively backtest your trading strategy. And you can also have price chart of different assets simply by clicking here on this plus sign, which creates a new chart, and you can have them simply on different tabs here. And again, on each chart, you can add up to 64 indicators, different indicators for different charts. And the good point is that you can save unlimited templates for your price charts at no cost. The links of their platform is in the description, and make sure you check them later. Alright, getting back to our indicator, as I said, this histogram will help us with measuring momentum and strength of the market. It helps us to identify periods of acceleration or deceleration. The farther the histogram bars are from 0, the more accelerated is the momentum. In other words, the speed of the price movement is higher. For example, in this part, you can see that that the bars are relatively very high in compared to the past. When we check this part, which the price action is in a trading range, as you can see, we can see that the range of change for the histogram is in this range. The positive one is in this level. But when the price broke out of the trading range, we can see that the histogram is moving away from zero higher and higher, and we can clearly see acceleration of increase in the bars. This shows that the speed of the advancing of the price is very high. Our interpretation for now is that the market is bullish and the price is advancing in an uptrend, and this is happening with a very high speed. We had a pullback here, but the downside momentum wasn't strong enough to make a significant change in the speed to push it down. We just had equal bars, as you can see. But for example here, let me show when the pressure of pullback is high what happens. Alright, in this part you can see that we had a similar situation. The price was advancing in a very high speed. Here we got a pullback, a deeper pullback with significant selling pressure, and you can see how suddenly we got a much shorter bar showing that the speed is decreased considerably. When this happens, it shows that the upside momentum is weakening, and on the other hand, the downside momentum is gaining strength. The market can go to a trading range like what happened here, or an instant reversal may happen. So when the speed of momentum is broken like this, you should exit your position, because there is a possibility that the price is not going to continue its prior direction with similar strength like here. So when we are in the right side of the chart and being in this situation, which shows that the price is advancing and the speed is high, if we suddenly get a bar which is much shorter and even negative, we must exit our position, because it shows that probably this advancing of the price is ending. We have the same interpretation when the price is declining in a downtrend, but everything is in the opposite direction and position. Alright, now you may wonder if the color changing of the histogram can provide buy sell signals. I don't recommend, because you can have good signals like this one, or for example this one, or another example this one, but more than good signals you will have bad signals, as you can see, because this histogram is showing momentum change in a short-term perspective, and not every momentum change is worth of trading. This indicator is designed for measuring momentum and the speed of the price movement, so better to focus on the information that it is providing about price acceleration or deceleration. Here in this table we have also some information that are very helpful when analyzing the market. Here you can see that the current wave ratio to the average wave is 8.26. This means that the current wave is 8 times bigger than the average wave. Here the current wave ratio is to maximum wave, and you can see that it is approximately 1, which means there was another wave with this size in the look back period that the indicator is using. If this value is more than 1, it tells us that the current wave is the largest within the look back period. Here in the settings of the indicator, we can see that the look back period is set at 100 by default. So these information are for the past 100 candlesticks. Here it gives us information about the dominance of bullish wave and bearish waves. For example here, since it is positive and it is above 1, it tells us that bullish waves have been stronger than bearish waves in terms of average size. And here it gives us a measure when comparing the largest movement within the look back period. This indicator is a perfect tool that can effectively help you with analyzing trends and measuring momentum and speed of the price movement, and also potential weaknesses that are happening to trends. If you use trend following strategies and identifying and evaluating trends are part of your analysis, this indicator is a great help for you, because it helps you to look at the current situation of trends from different perspectives, so you can effectively evaluate the strength or weakness of trends that are very important in taking trading decisions. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment for me. I'll answer your questions as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. See you guys in next video, and good luck with your trading.